very good morning to all. So today, my name is Muhammad Mirza and I will be presenting you about our case study for e-commerce, which is about OpenTable. So what is OpenTable? OpenTable is basically a booking table restaurant service where people can come and basically find and available seats for the restaurant. So as you can see, there's more than 3,200 restaurants around the world that has been using this service. And for diners like me, for example, it provides fast and efficient way for diners to find available seats. So for example, if I would like to go to KLCC and find a restaurant that I would like to eat, so basically, like for example, next week for my like a family gathering or something, I will just have to go to the OpenTable, find a date and see how many seats available and book it just like that. And I will have to pay afterwards, of course. But at the very least, I have already a table available for me. And so that is it. Find a date, book a seat, and done. And for the restaurants, they will have to pay. First, it's free for them to just learn and train how to use the OpenTable database, but they will have to pay for the hardware and software and our system. And that's how OpenTable get their money from both diners and restaurants that want to use the service. So that's all from me. Sorry, and thank you.
Okay, so I'll be explaining question number 1, which is why have OpenTable competitors had a difficult time competing against OpenTable? So we found 5 reasons. So first of all, it was already established. It was an already established business which started on 1998. So everyone knew about the company. The next one would be that their software was compatible against iOS, Android, and iPad devices, bringing in ERB software, which integrates all devices. The next one would be their system. Other competitor system, you can only view the seats available. You can only reserve online. So OpenTable, they offered the reservation system, which gave them the competitive advantage over other competitors. OpenTable had a wider range compared to their competitors, because other competitors, they would offer for few cities. But OpenTable, you can view and book restaurants from a wide range of cities. So at the last point, we found that buying off their competition. So they bought off a company named Urban Spoon and acquired their technologies such as ResBook, which manages the reservation system for the company. Second question asked us that what characteristics of the restaurant market made it difficult for a reservation system to work. So the first problem was that it was 1998. The power of internet was not that influential all over the world. So very few restaurants used computers as their reservation system because it was expensive back then. And the system needed more participants in order for it to work. Because if there are not many participants, why would someone go online and go through all the trouble at that year to reserve online? Question 2 asks us that how did OpenTable change its marketing strategy to succeed? So first of all, they developed an app to increase the convenience of their customers. Furthermore, they integrated the hardware and software to accommodate the ERP system, which is essential for their business. And finally, they went to door-to-door service. So they went to door-to-door. So they went to all of the restaurants door-to-door, and they asked the owner of the restaurant that if they want to be included in their system. So this is the final strategy that they use. So the fourth question asks us, why would the restaurant find SaaS model attractive? So these are the reasons. So first of all, this thing has no startup cost or maintenance cost like other physical system. So they can just acquire the software low of charge. Next, okay, so easy access. Customer only had to go on the web and then access the system. That's it. There was no complications. So the system is easily expandable. So if they want to increase the capacity, they can easily do so. There is no extra cost or all that hustle. Furthermore, they have effective updates. The updates were free and easy to use. They're very usable updates for the software. And finally, everyone had good accessibility because it could be accessed from anywhere. If they had the internet, they could access the system at any place, any time. So that's it for our presentation. Thank you, and assalamu alaikum.